So I did my unboxing of the iPad Pro new Magic Keyboard, and you probably didn't see that video, and that's okay because I'm gonna go ahead and link it up in the card right there, ding. But we gotta talk about the battery on this device. Now, I don't think a battery comes in here. I don't think you charge it up and it holds another charge, and all the technology is like built into this, the hinges and whatnot. But the battery, right? This is what we're talking about. This is the 2018 model, right? When you open this beautiful thing up, the keyboard lights up. And from what I can tell, it's actually draining the battery a little quicker than I would like it to. So much so that I kind of want to do a comparison, and I want to see how does the battery drain on 15 minutes not plugged in of constant YouTubing, right? We're gonna watch one of my videos together like we are right now. Compare it to 15 minutes not charging on this device. So it's not going to be plugged in. This is my old Magic keyboard. You remember those little guys? They're so cute. So I actually like this design. I like that I can fold over it and actually hold it in tablet form. I can't do that with this. I literally have to open it up, extend it, and if I want to hold it in tablet form, I have to remove it from the keyboard case, which I find terribly annoying. So it is what it is. I don't know what Apple was thinking when they took away that phenomenal functionality from us, but that's what I want to do. So don't go anywhere. We're going to go on a journey together, and we're going to see what that looks and feels like. We are right at 100% battery right now. I'm gonna unplug the power cord and hit play. And we're gonna turn it up to high volume to use all the battery we can in 15 minutes.
We have the Tree of Life.
So what ended up happening is it drained about 7% with the Magic Keyboard full brightness while doing screen record. We're gonna go ahead and switch out this keyboard, put it back on the old school or the original one, which is still a phenomenal thing. I mean, the functionality of this gives you 2 angles. It lets you fold it over. The keys don't activate when you press it, which is really good. And it doesn't bring you an extra port, and it doesn't have that fun little floating effect. So there are some compromises from the new keyboard, from the old keyboard, and vice versa. So we're gonna charge it up. We're gonna get it going, take a little clip, let it run for 15 minutes on the exact same video, full brightness, full resolution, unplug it, and hit play. So here we have it. 2 Magic Keyboard cases, 1 iPad, 2 very different results. Here's the difference. With this Magic Keyboard, we only used 3% of the battery, the one that launched with the 2018 iPad Pro. Now, with this Magic Keyboard, the 2021, the one that just came out, we used more than double. So it's decreasing your battery by over 50%. What? It's doubling? It's like, it's doubled? So my battery life using this Magic Keyboard with this iPad Pro it's half-life. It's less than half-life. You're only able to get 42% of your battery with this Magic Keyboard attached to it. Does Apple have some work to do? I don't know. Conspiracy coming. They make the 2018 iPad Pro compatible with this. But when you use it, it drains your battery, which makes you think maybe my 2018 iPad Pro isn't good enough. Maybe I need the new one. Maybe I should sell it. Maybe I should trade it in. And this is how Apple keeps you into the ecosystem and coming back for more of the newer stuff, even though I don't need it. I don't want it. But when I add the new technology in with my old technology, all of a sudden, it's not really talking to each other too well. Is Apple going to fix this problem, or are they going to leave it alone in hopes that people are going to run out and buy the 2020 iPad Pro to make it work with their keyboard? Now me, I've already invested $350 in this keyboard. Do I like it? Yeah. Am I going to keep it? I don't know. What the f***, Apple? Why the hell would you even do that? This isn't even making any sense. Why don't you just say it's not compatible? 42% is destroying the integrity of the experience. You are setting yourself up to piss me off, and I don't like it. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna talk about it. We're gonna post about it. We're gonna let other people know. Don't buy it. It's not a good experience. Functionality, features, warm fuzzies, it's great. The only way I think this keyboard is acceptable to keep is if you're going to keep your iPad plugged in while you use it. If I gotta get on a plane, which I don't want to, but if I have to, and I have to pick between this keyboard and this keyboard is coming with me all day long because this one isn't draining my battery. Thanks for watching the video. Like, comment, subscribe, come back more, hang out, watch more videos. Let's have a discussion and let me know what you think in the comments below. I need to know what you think about this. Is it worth it? Is it not worth it? Was $350 already too much money then to destroy your battery on your iPad Pro? I'm thinking maybe it is. I'm thinking this is not a win. This is a double thumbs down. For the love of tech, till next time.